skin like ghosts and
Freaking down through the red light. Huh.
Always knew it when these voices said to do it. They popping in my head like every minute, about to lose it. Never been about the fame, it's always been the music. Always been a weirdo, my whole life so fucking crooked. Hit the streets and got knocked off the right path. Trying to eat, losing sleep and trying to fight back. Refugee from the losers and the white trash. Black sheets in the creeps, I just might smash. And the hater talking shit about the ones I love. Started at the bottom, now they see me coming up. Check my closet, guarantee you find a bloody glove. Never hesitate to rock them when they fucking love. Maybe being a baby mama dropped me on my head. Maybe fate was calling me to do this all instead. Maybe I was crazy white until my fingers bled. Maybe all these ghosts and goblins I see mean I'm dead. You probably feel them crawling up and down my skin like ghosts and goblins. Ghosts like ghosts like ghosts and goblins. Like ghosts and goblins. Voices in my head keep calling. Don't know where to turn, the sun is black and very out. Like ghosts and goblins. Like ghosts and goblins. There's a black sheep of the underground, here I stand. On my home 2 feet, cause I'm a fucking man. I don't write it if it never really happened. Cause what would be the point of doing this and even rapping? I see these other rappers talking that bullshit.
What the fuck?
Tell you, man, I thought that guy in that red Mustang was gonna fucking plow into me.
Like, use the freaking middle lane to turn. Well, they don't.
I
was already nice enough to let him over. To get over, but freaking get over. Don't be in this lane.
They don't know how to drive, man.
And then that other guy ran the red light.
Yep.
Did you get a hold of Tim?
Yeah, I left him a message. Hopefully he picks it up.
Can my girlfriend come? And can you pay
Yeah.
for her too?
Hey. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pay for her dinner, Tim. And oh yeah, she's gonna come.